Okay, like I said, achievement, here I come. Final achievement. Should be here.
I hear vitamin grades are good for the complexion.
Here it comes, here it comes. Hold on. Hold on.
Okay then.
Loving it.
Completely awesome.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, save. Yeah! Complete international zombie hunter. And look, yeah, I told you guys that I am not perverted. I did not look up her skirt until the end. That was supposed to be the final achievement, but oh well. I guess I had to stick like this. Anyways, it's amazing, right? Right? You want to know how to get any of these? Please let me know. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye. Wait. Before I leave, some extra fun for the people.
Whoa, sexy.
Well, how do I look?
I could buy the other ones right now if I wanted.
Does it make me have food?
Wow.
Yum. Alright then. Oh, wait. I got you a family. There's mom. There's dad.
Nick, what do you think?
There's Rosalind. And then there's Cordelia.
Oh shit.
And Julia. Alright then. Thank you. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.